Tony, good morning. How you doing today?
That don't make no sense.
Donald, good morning, sir. That don't make no sense.
Pussy!
I need $318.60 today on that account, and I'll be back at payout. And this time I get to take 2,500 instead of 2,000. So far this morning has been pretty slow. Very, very, very sideways. Except for this move at 5 o'clock this morning, but kind of glad I wasn't here for that because it doesn't look very fun. I mean, would have worked out eventually, but got a little scary. Not very fast, right? So yeah. It looks fast in comparison, but I mean, pre-market volume. Plus, we don't know too. A lot of times, when you get these big moves, it'll make a top, it'll pull back within that candle, and then finish up there. So we don't know if that's what happened or not as well. Like you never know that for sure unless you were actually here watching it. Dream. That's a loaded question. If I had to give you an answer, like if I had a friend come to me and say they're brand new and they want to learn, I would say go learn the basics, uh, support and resistance. Um, yeah, that's a really tough question. You know, I've never really asked myself that question. Like, what what would I tell myself if I just started fresh again? Um, Make sure you really want it. Make sure you have exposable income. Uh, it's a loaded question. Find somebody that has good answers to these questions. Apparently, I am not that person. Uh, learn learn the things that matter most, like consistency, risk management. Those are the two things that are going to be the foundation of your trading. Um, yeah, I mean, honestly, just find someone like myself that will answer all your questions.
Welcome to the jungle, bitch!
And the most important one definitely is buy high, sell low. Kidding. It's the opposite. I'm gonna buy low, sell high. Might actually get a trade here. Thinking about it. Let's see the push through 25,000 though. Nice little candle on some volume. Yeah, risk management and consistency. Those are the two things I want you to focus on. Go learn support and resistance. I would say those are the two most valuable things that you can kind of pick up on pretty quickly. Um, and if you have any questions, just ask. So this isn't even crypto. This is the futures
That was
market.
legitness.
This is the Nasdaq. The green candle. What about it? So each green candle just means that at the end of the candle, these are 1 minute candles. So at the end of the candle, it means if it's green, it means it finished above where the candle started. If it's red, it means it finished below where the candle started. Nasdaq, is it a stock? No, it's a bunch of stocks put together into one. It's every stock that's traded on the Nasdaq is essentially what this is. The stocks don't stocks you have to look for individual stocks to trade, where the Nasdaq you're just trading one big giant fund to basically. Well, I mean, that's kind of the, where learning everything about the market comes into play. Is what do you define as resistance? Right? Everybody's definition of resistance is a little different. But in theory, the quicker and faster like something goes up, the idea is that the quicker and faster it could go down. The slower it goes up, slower it could come down if it comes down, right? So it's the market is a very it's a cruel game because it'll mess with your emotions a lot. Top 30 stocks combined value. Yeah. I don't know. I thought the Nasdaq was just every Nasdaq stock. I could be wrong. I have no idea. I'm on the MNQ. I'd have caught that. I would have got in and been like, why am I not doing anything? Well, right now we're in a weird spot because we had Trump. We're like in the middle of all that Trump news from Friday with the China tariffs. And that's the other thing. You have to be ready for Trump to possibly move the markets because it will happen. I don't know what his specialty is. One of the biggest things that I learned when I first started trading was this: do it scared, because there's going to be a lot of things as you're learning how to trade that you're just scared to do because you don't want to lose money. But you have to, because it's the only way you're going to learn. So, yes, learning your emotions is very key as well. I would say trading, like, once you get to my level, is 50% like execution and 50% mental.
He needs some milk.
And if you can't control your emotions, the execution will be off. If you can't control your execution, your emotions will be off. But I would say at the beginning of learning how to trade, I would say your emotions control probably closer to 80, 90% of your execution, because you're not sure, you're not confident in your system. And that's the other thing, is find a system that actually works, that fits you. There's so many different strategies out there that are profitable, but just there's just not enough people that actually trade them profitably. I think it's better to buy when it was in support. All right. That's it's your prerogative. I'm not saying you're right or wrong. Like I just said, there's so many different ways to make money. I'm trying to give you broad advice if you're actually new, versus like specific advice, because I don't know who you are. I don't know how you trade. I don't know your past. I don't know any of that. So I'm just trying to give you like the general overview. Right. It could be very different for everybody. Right now, I would personally, like, I always like to look left, and I'll come on the chart, I'll draw some lines. Like, there's a pretty obvious line to me, right? 2 touches. But you have to respect this line because it was the session high, right? So you could say there's a support here at 991. There's also a possible support here down at 980. Look at this thing just climb. I'll keep putting an order out at the bands, but I'm not trying to get involved. And I mean, because the range is not that great. If it wants to wick up and get me, I'll take it. But yeah, I mean, the best experience, like Anjinka just said, is to just stare at the charts. I would say it took me a good 2 to 3 years to start fully understand what I'm looking at. I would say the first 2, 3 years, I thought I knew what I was looking at. And you do understand kind of what you're looking at, but you don't really like actually see it. But I would say after about that third year, I really started to feel like I could actually see the market. And I know that's going to sound corny as shit, but it's true. And all that was just from literally coming here 8 hours a day, staring at the charts. And then on top of that, going back and back testing, etc. Wah. What's going on? By the way, I totally forgot that I am shooting around to golf on Friday. I'll still be here in the morning. We'll probably do the giveaway. I don't know if I want to do it Thursday, like during the day when everyone's here, or if I want to do it early Friday morning for all the early birds. I haven't decided yet. I'll probably do it tomorrow at normal time. My YouTube just automatically auto played your live. Let's go. I made it. I made it. 21 and at college. What college you going to? And like I said, man, yeah, if you have any actual questions, just let me know. Morning. What's up, Waffles? Maybe I'll run like a poll later and see what everybody thinks about doing the giveaway either
Don't make
tomorrow
no
or early
sense.
Friday. Early Friday? Yeah, better odds for you. Clarity, good morning. Like it would have to be probably around like 8:45, 9 o'clock Eastern, because I think our tea time is at 10. Computer science, not your major. Like what college? The physical college. I'm gonna put my order out again with the bands. Again, I don't really want to get involved unless we get some sort of a quicker move. I didn't take this trade, which actually ended up working because we were so close to 25K. I wanted to see it push through 25K, but actually into the bands again, and we didn't get that. So that kept us out of this trade that we'd still be in and regretting life at the moment. Especially because we're so close. We need $318.60 today on this account to get back to payout, which this payout will be the fourth one, so I can take 2,500. I'm very curious if after this payout, what they would do as far as possibly moving that account to a live account. Ugh. What a crazy little run here. I mean, 40 points essentially straight up. I mean, but what's impressive is just because it's not really like, look at the time frame. I know the last couple days 40 points has really been kind of nothing, but for it to, I mean, look at this, just the candles, the chart itself is very impressive to look at. Well, don't congratulate me yet, Tony. I've done worse. My very first payout ever in futures, I tried to build a buffer instead of taking the payout, and I blew the account. Obviously, I would hope that I'm not going to blow the account, but you never know. Yeah, the Bulls are definitely in control right now. Bulls go up, Bears go down. Bulls are currently winning. Cancel my order again for now. Dream, where are you from? What's your background? Nice little pullback there. But even so, I mean, that candle, it's like, now it's, geez, like 10, 11 points. I was getting ready to say it wasn't even 10 points, but it's a nice little candle. Dang, look at this thing go. Check that candle out. Nice little candle. Does it use 25 as support? Or is it going to come all the way back down? Dang. Dang. I'm not going to lie. I almost switched accounts to try this as a long. What do they say? Here's a saying for you, Dream. The Bulls take the stairs, the Bears take the elevator. So it's showing you where that saying comes from right now. Act like these are stairs and then boop, elevator down. It's a very common thing that you'll see in all of trading. Joe, good morning. Somebody who won a Twitter or X giveaway from August 15th just messaged me. I'm just gonna tell him that that expired. He literally just messaged me with his email. I'm sorry, you don't respond within a couple days, let alone a couple months? Literally exactly 2 months later. I don't think so, bruh. That's a huge loss, but a huge income to someone who got that? What are you talking about? Oh, the 2,500 bucks? I would agree. It's definitely not chump change. Yeah, they ate that right up. Going right back up. Maybe his feed is on delay. I don't know. That reminds me, I won the MySpace giveaway about 13 years ago. I'm ready to cash it in. I'm just hoping we get some opportunity for some trades today. This person was like, please, I really need it. And I was like, if you really needed it, you would have responded 2 months ago. Like, what? Oh, maybe his feed. Oh, you're talking about this guy. Nah, dude. He just didn't check his messages or something. You shorted the NQ? Good luck, sir. Targeting 25K. Oh, you already got the 25K. Oh, like you just shorted. Gotcha. I mean, you'll get there. There you go. Did it hit? 20, 24. Oh no, that's 25,000 to the tick. To the tick. To the tick again. Oh my god, it literally didn't do it. I hope you took it off there. Although I would have been in your shoes too. I would have been waiting for it to hit. But that's why I front run key levels like that. So I don't have to worry about it trying to go through a key level. All these bots on Twitch and Kick. So annoying. Osama over on IG, I see you. Good morning. Close the 2 point. There you go. Good job. You'll probably get it anyway, but. Oh, you still got a runner. You're holding it till 24,900. Oh boy, it's quite the distance. Way down here. Look. Oh, 8:30 news. 8:30 news. 8:30 news. 8:30 news. The heck? It doesn't say there's 8:30 news. Oh yeah, it does. Empire State Manufacturing Index. It's not red folder though. It's just orange folder. But obviously, somebody thought something of it. That was Empire State Manufacturing Index. Whoa. Apparently it was really good. Previous was negative 8.7. The forecast was negative 1.8, but it was actually 10.7. I don't know what that means, but I'm assuming that's really good. So far, using Confluence, hopefully you didn't have a stop up there or just randomly tagged you out and then dropped immediately. You got saved by it? You were long? Loaded spring. No, same music. I just have it on shuffle, so maybe they changed it on their side of things. I don't know. Maybe the playlist that I use, they changed. I don't know. You should hear music. Say, I have it very subtle in the background. I don't want it to be overpowering, but it's there to just kind of chill out, you know, in case I'm not talking or something like that.
Pussy.
Uh, I hate when it's boring in the morning, man. No fun. I did not. I didn't take a trade. I was just talking about Wawa's trade. Missed by one tick. Yeah. 1.2K. Jeez, how much are you trading? Is gold moving that much? I don't even have gold up, I don't think. Let's see. Yeah, nice little down move there. Oh, check that move out. What the heck? I wouldn't even know how to trade gold. What's ES look like? I have no idea why my chart is like that. You know, let me reopen. See if it does that. There we go. I don't know why it did that when I first opened it. £6. Currently using 2 contracts. Does it pay that much more? It's crazy. The chart is standard for TradeAway for every new window open. Yeah, but usually, as you saw when I opened it up this time, it used my settings, where last time it didn't for some reason. That's why I was confused. We'll pad 2 more contracts on my YM short if the price goes back to my entry. Pad or YOLO. Yeah, I'm just waiting. Really ain't much going on here for me. Balls deep. By the way, does TPT allow DCA? Does two contracts open at the start? One more in the same direction count as DCA? They do allow DCA. Two contracts open in the same direction. Yeah, that's fine. Marbles, almost. I don't want to start too early with marbles. Let's give it 7. We'll start at 5 minutes early. Let's give it 6 minutes. Some prop firms don't allow it because they know it's a profitable strategy. As bad as that sounds. As bad as it sounds, that is the truth. Price pushes above my risk will add, sell some. Hey, power to you, my man. Well, there's a drop. idea why, but and right back up. You're out on that for take profit? Let's go. Yeah, I have no idea what that was all about. Market always moves 14, 14.30. I wouldn't say every day, but I do notice. The algo bots on the higher time frames, possibly. Oh man. Ugh. All right, let's start the marbles register. Actually, let's see what the chart does here. Is there any chance we get like a giant move up towards 50? Your name should be woo wee. There should be wee. A wee.
That don't make no sense.
That don't make no sense. Eval giveaway Friday. Probably gonna do it tomorrow. Actually, I made my decision. I'm doing it tomorrow because I'm shooting golf on Friday. I'll still be here Friday morning, but probably only for like an hour, and then I gotta leave. Our tea time's at 10. So I'll be doing the giveaways tomorrow. I'm gonna do tomorrow. I'm gonna do a 50K take profit trader account as well as the 50K lightning funded account from Tradeify. And hopefully it's also celebrating our payout that we hopefully get today. Because that would be pretty awesome. All right. Looks like we're slowing down. Let's go ahead and start. Shooting golf? I mean, what else would you call it? Playing golf, I guess? Shooting a round of golf? If I win the TPT account, I'm going to sell it back to you. Why? There's no selling back. You either take it or you don't. Exclamation point marbles, get them in. You got 10 minutes. Just some guy TN following me on Twitch. Thank you for the follow. Appreciate that. Yeah, the Philippines are definitely not the best. Exclamation point marbles, get a bid. You got 7 minutes and 20 seconds. Get it up and running. We'll run it until market open. All right, breaking the highs. Apparently all I need to do is start marbles registration. Just typing in the names. There's a good amount of members here. Maybe nah, I already made my decision. I was gonna say maybe I will do it Friday morning, but nah, I'm gonna just do it tomorrow. Ooh-wee. What's up, Donovan? Like, to even consider some of the firms out there, I need to shell out 1K USD to create an LLC, which, to be honest, I can't be bothered yet. Yeah, I mean, eventually it could be worth it, though, once you get moving. All right, you got 5 minutes. Get them in. I just realized I'm wearing my headphones today. Let me switch over. I've been switching between the two, like after the stream, but I like the way it just looks. It looks better with the buds. Let's see. Just like when I'm watching videos and stuff at night, or if I do play a game with the kids, I just like wearing the headphones better. But during the day, I like wearing these better. LLC is very much worth it though, but for the meantime, it's a ways ahead of me. Financial freedom. Got it, got it, got it. I get you, man. We're all on our own path, right? I was just watching a video and I sent it to my wife. There's a room on this cruise, the new Star of the Seas ship by Royal Caribbean. It's $17,000 a person for a week. For 1 week, it's $17,000 a person to get in this room. So if you have a family of 4, what is that? You're pushing $70,000 for 1 week vacation on a cruise ship. Just because of the room. I'm assuming you're essentially getting the same experience as everybody else around the ship, right? But just because of the room itself, you have people paying less than $1,000 and you're paying $70,000. $70,000 for a week. That's insane. At that point, just book a damn 1-month vacation in a nice country for real. Just double your payout and you get that 1 week vacation. Not worth it. No. Oh yeah, you're talking about my total payouts, not even just one payout. It's like 2.3K per night to sleep in a bed. Yeah, pretty much. Go visit Palawan. Your 1K USD gonna give you 3 weeks of vacation. Jeez, Palawan. Now you got me curious what that is. Palawan. Island in the Philippines. Ooh. I mean, that's the thing. I would rather do stuff like that versus spend that much on a cruise. That's just crazy. country? Oh, this is Indonesia. Is the Philippines like really not like, I feel like that's got to be such a pretty place, but yet I feel like they always get such a bad rep. I'm surprised it's like a poorer area of the world considering what they have. Go visit Iraq, you get 3 months. Thailand for 6 months is like 17. Yeah, it's crazy. I am short. It's a pretty place. Bad government though. Yeah. Rolling over. Try the highs. Beat the highs by what? Let's see. I was 24.50. This one went to 25.50. So it went up 1 point. All right, marbles. Let's start getting these races in. Gotta add Gonzalez. Gonzalez 1. Gonzalez 2. Josh. What's up, Josh? You're on bye this week. Rest up. All right. Open. Get everybody else in there. 33. Means I'm missing somebody. And Jinka. All right, let me hit refresh. Oh, yeah, it's still wrong. And Jinka. Neo. Tony. It's got you guys in there. Who am I missing? Did I mess up the map? Waffles? Oh, Wawa missed your regular entry for some reason. I got you. I got you, boo. Alrighty. We are like royalties over there. Hong Kong and their foods are nice too. You're foreigners, so you won't be in a bad spot. Oh yeah, because we're the one that bring foreigners bring all the
He needs some milk.
Just be respectful. Yeah, don't be that Russian guy. Yeah, I know exactly who you're talking about. All right, let's cancel this. Let's go over to marbles. Run some races until into the open. Let's get it. Giving away $105 USD if somebody can beat this map. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Give Nation, I see you over there on IG. Welcome, welcome. Nope. Ooh, that looks right down the middle. This isn't working out too well for the first race of the day. It only takes one, right? Only takes one. Did you get the payout? No, I need $318.60. It's up 700 on your runner. Let's go. Wawa 2 better get that 100 or else he will live in the basement. There, get there. Come on, Don. Come on, Don. You're the only one to make it this far. Oh, it's going to hit perfect too. Oh, no, it's not. Thought it was going to hit the thing and go sideways. Boo. All right, let's run it back. Let's run it back. Everybody's getting owned. You guys are getting absolutely wrecked. This map is taking no prisoner or taking all prisoners today. I know, Don, you're the only one. Don knows something we don't know. Ooh. I gotta hit one of the sides and slow down too. Oh, this is possible. Oh no. We've seen it happen before, but doesn't seem to want to happen today. By the way, I have some exciting news for you guys. I can't tell you until tomorrow, or was it today? I'm confused about my post. Did I post incorrectly? Did I post incorrectly? Oh, it is. It's today. Screwed that up. So right at the end of my stream today, which I'm going to probably end around 10:30, go over to Tradeify. They have some news. It's going to be pretty cool. Actually, you know what? Maybe I'll watch it on my stream because I want to watch it as well. Donald. Pop, 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 pop. It tried. It popped up right at the end there. He's given every member a free 200K. Yeah, right. Not quite. But I am sort of giving you guys something for free. A wah-wah. Ooh, imagine that just goes right into the hole. That would be crazy. No way that hits another barrel. Close. Ugh. This map is like FU today. Holy crap. Volatility trading period sent you a friend request on Discord. I wonder if that is spam. Ooh, my balls to the face. Emmy, I would love for you to take my balls to your face. Maybe just a secret admirer. Tell Brett to give you 150K advanced accounts. Yeah. Only if I had that kind of pool. Chart moving back towards the highs. Got 10 minutes still open. And right back down. Chop it, chop, chop, chop it, chop, 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 chiroo. Ooh, sneak in there. Oh no, come on, man. Out for 500 on my runner. Let's go. Good trade. I'll go buy scratch a ticket. Well, the problem is you can get out with that, but you got to withdraw it first, right? It's not real until it's real. It's not real until it's real. We all know that struggle. Wow, it's a huge bounce. Better slow down. Oh, oh, no, don't you dare. No. Oh my God, that's so unlucky. think we got time for 2 more. If that would have hit the end part there, that would have been a bounce to the middle. That was brutal. That was brutal. It's so crazy. So many people were signing up with Take Profit Trader last month, but this month is not the case. Like, we got those accounts last month because people were signing up, but this month for some reason it's like nobody's signing up. Makes no sense to me. Let me see, how close are we? Oh, we're pretty close to the first thing, but the first stage, but then we would still have to finish the second stage to get the other points. Which we are not quite there yet. I got time for one more. Hopefully Donovan or Josh gets a shot. All right, last one. All right, time to sit up. Time to get serious. Sir Potatoes, what's going on? GDT, wow. Just taking over my channel to advertise. Okay. If anyone's into cigars, there you go. I'll expect my 25%. Sorry, sir, didn't want to infringe on your cigar game. Oh, he's on top. That's not good. Wow, this map is just giving the biggest middle finger today. We might actually have time for one more if these two die quickly. No, Gonzalez is going to make sure that that doesn't happen. Where is Donovan? Bouncing around? Oh, no, there's Donovan. Oh, he did. All right, Gonzalez, if you die real quick, we could run another one. He's like, no, bro, I'm going to win. I'm going to win, bruh. You sure about that? Are you sure about that? All right, we got time for one more. Yeah, I think we got time for one more. We haven't even come close. We haven't. I mean, we've had a couple get near the rail, but nothing that was promising. Alrighty. Things are getting spicy. 2 minutes till the open. That poker game yesterday was kind of fun. Until the end. No. Come on, man. This track. This track is hard. Ugh. King F, what's going on? Good day. Good luck. At the open in about 1 minute. Donald going for it. Then we got, oh, no. Oh, okay, okay. No. Where's Gonzalez? Again. Gonzalez is holding thing. Oh, I thought he was about to die. What is up with your marble, Gonzalez, and go backwards? What is going on here? Oh, there you go. Don't take the paddle. Oh, he took the paddle. This map is like F you today. That's crazy. All right. Let's see what happens here at the open. Oops, I just moved that by accident. That's okay, actually. Let's move it up here. Turn high. I got my challenge account open as well, which you guys can't see, but I do have it ready to go. Yeah, buyers aren't really stepping in on this push down. Oh, there they are a little bit. Trying to figure out what it wants to do. Just gonna grind lower. Still hasn't beat a previous candle to the upside here. Just trying now. All right, we're up 1,000. Obviously trading this way more aggressive on the challenge account. See if we can't make another bit here. Basically top tick that candle, expecting exactly what it's doing. Who won? Nobody won. With this track, we might get the 300. It's very possible. When my orders are getting filled on the other account, can you hear it? Looking for a bigger push down here on the challenge account. Down through 950. Keep going. Yeah. Oh, shit. Sweet. I was trying to move it down a little bit, but I got filled and took out another I'm trading 5 contracts, guys, by the way, so I'm going a little crazy. I made another 1,000 there on just a very quick pop down through 50 and back up. I didn't get filled right away, but then it came down and filled me and then popped right back up again, so it worked out. I meant who won the poker game? Oh, Don. Was it Don or Donald? Somebody came in and played at the end, and I couldn't... I literally lost every hand against them. GDT was playing too. All right, we need $700 more here. Maybe I can go down in size. Yeah, leave the size, make it easier. You ever watch YouTube, the epic rap battles of history? Yeah, I have. Yeah, it was Donald. I knew it was Don or Donald. It was one of you. Yeah, I literally could not beat Donald. It was crazy. Zidane, if you're still here, it's the 1 minute time frame. All right, get another move down. No, I was doing Adventure Time in the junkyard. Oh, that's right. How did that Tim cheated. How did that play out, by the way? Did you get everything fixed? Did you find the bolt that you needed? Jason, good morning. Jason. All right, see if we can't get this other $700 here for a bigger push. Oh, it didn't get filled. Would have been a good thing. Boom. No. Oh, yes. Sweet. 2803. Let's go. I hit it when I saw 700 and it didn't take me out right away. It went back down, but then it came up and got me. Sweet. All right. We are pretty close to passing that now. I think we'll only need like 800 or so tomorrow. So it'll be a little bit easier. Let me X out of that. So we're right back to where we were. I know. I was trading the challenge account. The chart that I'm moving now is my real account. I just didn't want to. I don't want you guys to trade the way I'm trading that challenge account because it is absolutely dumb. I'm essentially YOLOing the account. Yep, and I got my mom a blower motor for her vehicle as well. Let's go. Got fucking Don the mechanic over here. All right. Looking for a trade for myself now here. 900. It's a pretty good push down. Take a look at the overall chart. Where are we at? It's a pretty good move down. Actually at a pretty decent support level right here. Wouldn't be surprised if we start to bounce right here. Looking at the 1 hour chart, there's a pretty good resistance area like right here. That could be used as support. AKA science trades, sort of. I was being a little bit more cautious today because the first 2 days worked. I didn't want to blow it on the third day. The third day is like the biggest one, and then the fourth day matters because, well, technically I have 2 days to kind of make the rest of it to stay within the consistency and everything. But in theory, as long as I make it in the next 2 days, I should pass and be fine. I saw the Canadian futures trader guy. He's already up like 4,000 in the funded account, so it'd be hard to catch him anyway. Unless I go a little crazy. Marbles aren't done. We're gonna play in a little bit. I just like to let the open play out. See if I can't get some trades. NQ the only down market. I'm looking for a bounce to go long. Well, there it is. It's bouncing. Don the blower, you giving out blowies? Miriam said a few minutes ago that she always loves seeing a gap get filled. Oh, Jesus. Oh, back down we go. Or not. Well, I hope that was where you got long, Jason. Holy smokes. Let's pop there. And there's another drop. What is going on? Some volatile chop. But some may even call it volatility trading. Fun note, that's actually where my name came from, because I was always looking for volatility trading. was gonna actually say that we need some drum beats in the commands. Yeah, the old ba-dum. I was ready to get involved if we got the push down through 900 there, but let's see what happens. Not gonna give me what I'm looking for. I was looking for down towards like 880 for the retest. Not gonna get an easy trade today. Not gonna get an easy trade today. Err. I really wish we could get a pullback strong enough to get me a trade. Scary to buy low? It just needs to be low enough. I really thought we might get the trade there, but fortunately we did not. For science trade would have worked. Would have worked great. Remember this line I drew from pre-market? Check that out. Top, top, bottom, bottom, top, 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 top. Just saying. Good old classic support resistance. And go grab another drink real quick. Kind of sucks. I was really hoping to get an easy trade on stream today. Get the payout for you guys and myself, obviously. I always like to do it with you guys. It feels better. All right, let's do some marbles real quick. Maybe there. Exclamation point marbles, get them in. We'll run one time and then I'm probably gonna sit here and wait for Tradeify to do their announcement. Yeah. All right, nice little push up here. Maybe we'll be getting a short instead of a long. Key area 25K. Not sure I want to mess with it this close to the current day high. Rather see it push away from the current day high. What do you think about Saturday night? What about it? What is Saturday night? Whiskey and Arc Raiders dual stream. Interesting thought. I don't think. Let me ask the wife if we have anything going on, but that sounds like something I could do. I just don't want to plan something and the wife throw a wrench in it. Like, oh yeah, we got something else to do. All right, making a move up towards the highs. Would love to see a push up through the highs, up through 50 as well. It's quite far away though, but somewhere up near the bands would be beautiful. Tell that girl you're mine. Oyster Fest might go to that Sunday. Get your marbles in. Yeah, 5 minutes! Exclamation point marbles. DDT, were you in early? I remember adding your name in there. Oh. You were here, but you didn't enter the race? What a loser. It's not responding to me. Just gonna make me walk upstairs. Got you, Donald. That don't make no sense. All right, finally broke the high. See if we can push away. Might get involved if we get a decent push up towards 2050. Looking for the retouch. Do I like oysters? I love oysters. My record is 27 in one sitting. My brother beat me that day. I think he ended up with like 33 or something crazy like that. Come on. Need a push, need a push. Just grinding. Grindy, grindy, grindy. Come down. It's the National Oyster Fest, like the biggest event in the world. National. Let's see. County Fairgrounds, Leonardtown. U.S. National Oyster Shucking Championships. So is it like a competition for the shuckers, and then just because they're all shucked, everyone eats them? So many different oyster options, beer competitions. Well, see, I'm kind of in a good mental space right now with eating. I mean, I guess if I only ate oysters, but no go on the beer. Let's see where it is. Directions. Jeez, it's almost like driving to the ocean. It says it's an hour and 55 minutes, or hour and 40 minutes. It's crazy. It's so far away. It's like the very, 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 very southern part of Maryland. Well, shucks. It's 5 minutes. Yeah. Damn, so that means your new house, you weren't that far from me before. Because you were up here. You went even more south. So that means when I eventually come down there, that's going to be like a day trip. Might have to spend the night. You got a spare bedroom? "10 minutes from your old house?" Oh, never mind then. I was trying to look for the name of the city. that you were in previously, but I'm not seeing it. I don't remember what it was, but I know I would know it if I see it. Must be scrolling the wrong way. Oh, it was right around here. Ooh, Wick. You just got in there. This chart, man. Come on. Did you ever get long, Jason? Hollywood. Jason. Same city, just opposite ends. Gotcha. My brother just did that when he moved. Well, it's been a few years now, actually. But he did the exact same thing. He's still in Colombia, but he just went to the exact opposite side of it. Nope, it faked me. That was a weird reversal very fast. Yeah, it kind of was. The wife. Nope. And nothing after Cam's soccer game. Just added to the calendar so I don't forget. All right, what time you want to stream Saturday night? Let's do it. I'm down. I'm down. If I get a trade here. Go. I need more than that. Go. 65, I'm in. 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 Need it right now, though. Not like I'm doing much. Apparently, you're going to the Oyster Fest. You're gonna be all aphrodisiac. Your fiance is gonna be all over you. Like, sir, you ain't streaming. You coming straight to the bedroom. I'm taking care of you. I can smell them oysters. Smell them. Not 65 I'm in now, by the way. That was only if it got there on that candle. Now I'd be looking for a little bit higher. Although we really haven't done a 50 retest. Oh, yeah, we kind of did. This chart sucks. There we go. Go, go, go. Need the extension candle. Give me the extension candle. Give me the extension candle. Not near any news. Yeah, 10:06. We should be near nothing. Except for some random ass tweet or something. She gets back Sunday morning. Oh, gotcha. That's right. I did see it said 2 days. I don't know if I'd be okay with this or not. Getting that close to 100. If it goes there right this second, I'm okay with it. Wicket?
Order filled.
Come on, baby. Right back down. Come to Papa. Come to Papa. Oh. Come to Papa. Oh. Jerk. Oh. Grind higher. Dang it. I thought about taking it off there for 100, but I really like the idea of getting it all in one shot there.
Order filled.
Yeah, pretty much. Is this really just gonna grind? It's kind of a nice candle too. It sucks because if I would have took it off there, I'd be looking for another entry here. Starting all over. That's the disadvantage of not scalping sometimes when you're looking for the bigger move. I would not be adding unless we get through 100 here. I feel okay with this just because the range isn't crazy. today like it has been. So almost top ticked that for a second there too. 89. We were at what, 88.50? Pretty close. Possible red candle coming in? Question mark. I know this won't get us to our 318. To go like here, right? That, yeah. Just looking for that quick little flush back down, but starting to think I might want to just get out of this the way that it's acting. What a push up. We saw this, I think it was yesterday too, if I'm not mistaken. Didn't it do this exact thing where it tried to go lower and then it just went up for a long time? Yeah, right here. It was right in the morning too. Same thing. It did pull back a little bit, but then it ultimately just went higher. All right, up through 100. Going to be looking to kind of just get out of this now. Damn, didn't get the fill there. Of course. Of course I didn't get the fill there because it probably would have worked, and now it's going to come down and just bounce off my average again, I bet you. That's typically how this works. Since I didn't get that fill, which would have worked beautifully, I'm just going to try to get out of this. That's so frustrating. I hit it, I just didn't get filled. We definitely would have been green there. Definitely would have taken at least one off. I don't want to add now because now it already gave us that pullback that you're looking for from that candle. So now the only way I can add is if it goes even higher, which is frustrating. Ideally, I'd love for it to just come down and take me out and just move on and hope for another trade. Obviously, this isn't the trade we want anymore. Pretty frustrating overall. Had we taken that first trade off for $100, we probably would have just taken that trade and we would have been done. Because that one was actually pretty instant.
Order filled.
All out, up $19, but we'll take it. Just be happy to get out of that. Now I hope it shoots right back up. Give us another chance. Very frustrating. Could have been done there at payout, but it just didn't play out. Obviously could have held it in hindsight here. Might have still worked, but not the trade we were looking for. Let's play some marbles while we wait, because I don't want to miss the Tradeify announcement either. That's frustrating, but I'm not going to let it get to me. This is what it is. Just didn't work. Could have took this off, could have got back in, but even if I tried to get back, I didn't get the fill even trying to add, so didn't work there either. So I might not even have got the fill the second time. Unfortunate, I didn't get the ad too, right? If I get the ad there, we're up $300 like it's nothing. So not much we can do about it. Except for play some marbles and hope for the best. We pull up Tradeify's. I know, right? It couldn't have just been easy. And so many things could have went better there where it would have just worked, but Unfortunately, that is not how it played out. Where is Tradeify live stream? Oh, look, they're playing marbles. Oh, dang. I was hoping we got the bounce back up there, but oh well. Oh, balls. Dude, this map is not being friendly today. Oh, now we're trying to go back up. Better bounce. Hit it. Nice. Stay up. This might have a shot, but I think you're gonna have too much speed. Ugh. Got a hit. Nope. Let's follow a marble through. See what happens. Maybe that'll give it change the luck up a little bit. Trying to go back to the highs here. Yeah, worst part is if I would have left my take profit out, it would have got hit. But we would have had to go through drawdown again. So Wawa newbie. An interesting way to spell newbie. Oh. Dude. This map today is just brutal. Damn, Carlo, sorry. Jeez. Oh my, what is going on? Got 2 GDT marbles still in here. Let's see what happens. Okay, can't get much slower, but we need one of those to come up, okay? Possible. The laser wasn't even near it. What the F was that? Whoa, never seen somebody do that. It's not going to make it. And chart's going back down. Oh my geez, peasy. That is one of the weird things about trading, judging how long the bad part of the trade will last. Yeah, you're not wrong. All right, let's run it back again. Got plenty of time here. Still until 10:30. I want to at least see one person on there, but I don't know if it's going to happen. Who's going to get on the rails? Anybody? Bueller. How do we sign up for these giveaway games? You just have to be here in the chat and type !marbles. You have a 10-minute time frame to sign up. So when you hear me say !marbles in the chat, you usually have 10 minutes to do so. That's it. If we just chop the rest of the day after that, I'm going to be so pissed. Knowing that it gave me an opportunity, I just fudged the trade. GDT getting paddled. Waffles getting paddled. And some waffles. Donovan getting paddled. Bro, this map today is... Oh my god, everyone's getting paddled. We can't even get to the bowl. All right, Code Vola, show him how it's done. Show him how it's done. Nope, this is gonna go off the side. Should be okay. Gonna bounce in between. No, made it. All right, we got a shot. Got a shot. Oh, Nomad. Nomad. I don't think that's gonna do it though. Where am I at? This got a shot? Nope. Nope. Do ring around the rosy, pocket full of posy, ashes, ashes, we all fall down. What the heck was that? All right, we'll do one more. NQ and ES holding. We might get another morning push up. Yeah. I mean, that is holding.
Trouble though, pal. I eat pieces of shit like you for breakfast.
You eat pieces of shit for breakfast?
No.
No.
No. All right, here it goes. Going for the highs. Back to 100. Pop through 100. Can it get to the highs? Why do I feel like this is going to be a double top, though? It's going to be a for science trade. Ooh, I think you hit the paddle, but it actually kept you in. Donald and Carlo right behind. See if they both make it on. They do. Carlo going first. It's too fast. Donald didn't make it. Wicks off. Sir Potatus is going flying. Holy crap. Emmy, where are you at? Okay. We're at the highs on the chart. Watching it. Where's Wawa and Gonzalez? Wawa's coming. Paddled, but still in? Question mark? Nope. Gonzalez? Dang, I thought that was about to get lasered, but nope. You guys are still spinning. There goes Emmy. I might go off the side. Yep. Gonzalez gone. That leaves us with Thalo. All right, Thalo. Good luck. Oh. God. What is this crap today? All right. Done with marbles today. That's brutal. That was a brutal day of marbles. Is that like a sign that I should just not trade?
Make 2,170. I would prefer that.
Like,
Oh, I didn't mean to turn them on just yet. I really thought that was my trade. It was a really good candle to a key area. Just went a little too far. I tried to get the ad, didn't get it. Would have worked. Just a frustrating trade. Could have very easily have been at payout. Being super happy at the moment. Not the case.
Don't make no sense.
I mean, I wish it didn't make sense, but it's kind of how it is. All right, there's the push through the highs. See if we can get a sizable push. Up there's the for science trade. Had a feeling. Volume didn't really increase there, so I'm not convinced that we're not going to still try to go higher. I think they're just playing with it. Yeah, I see your flag. I don't really pay too much attention to the flags, but beep up. Uh, uh, the Tradeify stream just bugged out.
What are we doing?
Doing good. Both Brett and I came off long flights today and yesterday, so we're both.
Wow, it's like bugging out. All right, try and hire again here. See if we can actually get a good push away. Is it my Chrome? What's going on here? I think my Chrome might have just bugged out. Oh, really? No, that wasn't for an Evo. Trading for SL. Where did you type that? I don't even see it. Wait, is all my crap bugging out right now? I think my internet's like bugging out. Oh, there it is. It popped up here first for some reason. Type !Discord.
A little bit jet lagged, but we'll make
There
it
it is.
through this.
The three of us have that in common, so all good, all good.
What a better way to come back jet lag.
That don't make no sense.
Yeah.
True.
Who needs coffee?
Pussy!
Vinny, I
He's a meal.
We didn't even
See if that link works.
Run.
Donald going crazy.
It's like riding up my sleeves, like packs are like popping out. I'm like, all right, where's mine? Putting my head through there.
You get me?
Well,
Also,
that's a good plug for our new merch store that we just launched as well.
Yup.
This is
Yeah,
my
while
favorite
we're
one.
here, I was thinking maybe we drop a couple merch codes too. I don't know. Okay, all right.
Get hot.
Yeah, my Chrome, my browser is
Well,
So,
the chat.
gentlemen,
not
we've
liking
only-
what's going on
We
right
had
now.
you on the show together once before, and it was for some pretty big announcements. So I'm assuming today's will be as well.
That was legitness.
That actually, we should probably come on without when it's not an announcement, just more casual. Because every time we come on, it's something big. So maybe that's on us. But yeah, I think this is going to be super exciting.
Yeah, I don't know what's going on with my browser right now, but I click something and it's taking like a full-on minute to switch to the tab.
Actually supposed to be end of Q1-ish, but we had a lot happen since then, and a lot of different things come out. We wanted to work on some infrastructure.
At least Tradeavate's working right.
Project X out. We wanted to get some plan updates. We wanted to get merch out, home site migration, all of that.
Yeah, I don't know what's going on. Of course, it's fine all morning, and then I want to listen to something, and it's bugging out. I'm gonna close it and reopen it, see if it helps. Really don't want to, but here we go. It's not even letting me close. End all tasks. All right, let's see how much that fucked everything up. Restore. Let's see what happens.
The announcement video here, Drew.
Yeah, go for it. Let's do it. Let's get the explainer right.
Welcome to the Tradify Grand Cup, a $200,000 Grand Champion reward, $1 million in total prizes spread across 400 winners, and you keep 80% of every dollar that you profit during the live Grand Finals.
Here's how the eliminations work. Week 1, trade, compete, build your account. At the end of week 1, all remaining traders advance to week 2. Week 2, things get a little brutal. Every single day, the bottom 30% of traders are eliminated. Survive the daily cuts, and at the end of week 2, only the top 200 will advance to the live Grand Finals. Stage 2, the live Grand Finals. The top 200 traders move to real live funded accounts. The trader with the highest total profit over those 2 weeks becomes a Grand Champion.
Grand Champion, $200,000. Second place, $120,000. Third place, $80,000. $1 million in guaranteed rewards. Registration opens October 15th. The knockout round starts November 2nd. This is your shot. Are you ready?
Wow.
Hey, what do we think? What do we think?
I actually saw that
seven-bagger,
yesterday,
a
but
nice,
couldn't say anything about it.
seven-figure-
Pretty awesome.
Seven-figure tournament. Super.
You're
amped
always
to
a trader
it.
at heart, Brett.
Yeah, exactly. Someone in our one of our mods in the Slack today hit a big trade, so baggers already.
Yeah.
But anyway, hopefully this is actually
Can
the
I hit
entry for
25?
this.
You can
I don't
win
know,
it.
Here, go over it, Vinny. But
here, yeah, listen.
The reason I say bagger is, I mean, this is a way I teased it a little bit ago, but it's
I'm actually an ambassador
than
for
50,
the
but
tournament,
it was a
so
way
you
to
guys
get
are going to be able to
$50
participate. If you've
so
ever had a
what
trade, or
actually
if you have a
promoted
Tradify
here
account,
is that first
it's a
place prize
tournament.
potential for whoever can. What even is that multiplier? I gotta math on that.
Hold on
but
one second.
I
that's
can't
it.
math with that.
A massive,
Listen,
massive multiple. But anyway,
Yeah,
Vinny, run them through it.
Life-changing money. 200K first prize, even second place 120K. I mean, these are.
Oh, it's this website. I wonder this website is crashing it. That's what's okay.
These
Yeah,
are
see, I X'd that out and
life-changing,
everything. Oh, maybe not.
prizes that we're going to give away in this tournament.
Chrome, man.
Just
There it
maybe
goes.
before I get straight into it, maybe if you could, Drew, put on the screen share that I have of the landing page. And while you do that, I mean, just to go back to how we came up with this. I mean, yeah,
it's a
Tradify is
tournament.
firm full of gamers. Gamers, I mean, some of you that follow us.
There's the
we
link
do
for
our
it.
Gaming nights on Tradify TV and in our Discord community.
So, well,
we had
let's
this
just listen to them say it
conversation
first.
quite
They might
a few
answer all the
months ago
questions
that
or
trading would
things I
be
was going to say.
an incredible esport, right?
But it's
You know,
free
where
if you have a
you have
Tradify account.
Professional gaming tournaments like they do on the
And if
video
you don't
game
have a
side.
Tradify account,
could
you can
do
just
that
buy an
on the
advanced
trading
account
side.
and then get in for
Trading
free.
is
So
a
it'd be cheaper than paying the
spectator sport. People like
$35.
to see, trading with real jeopardy, with real prizes on the line. And that's what we wanted to come up with. And this is, our first attempt. There's a kind of a long-term vision for how we can build this up. But this is our kind of first product. I think it's going to be super exciting. So let's walk through how this tournament works. So this is from our knowledge, the world's biggest futures trading tournament. I know there's been a few tournaments. The unfortunate thing of us starting to do this at the start of this year and then pausing it is that the idea obviously got out there, and there have been a few other tournaments out there, but none at the scale of this tournament. So as the video said, there's going to be $1
it would be pretty
million
cool.
in guaranteed rewards that we're going to give out to the top performers in this tournament. First prize will be 200K. But the top 400 traders will all earn cash rewards. So this isn't just to try and hit first place and get a big first prize. All top 400 will make a decent
And you get to
amount
keep, well, they're
of
going to say
individual
this, but you get to
rewards on
keep the
this.
money if you end up as one of the live
200, I'm going to
traders.
get into this when I talk about the structure of the tournament. But the other unique part of this is that the top 200 all get put into live funded accounts. So this is not just a sim tournament. The top 200 will shoot out in live accounts. The great thing about live accounts, this is real money. This is not sim. So anything you earn in those live accounts during the tournament, you get to keep. On top of the rewards that we're going to give you for where you finish. So this is, to get into that top 200, it's going to be super exciting. The tournament is sponsored by Tradeovate Prop, so they're going to be an exclusive partner on this tournament. So all participants will trade on the newly branded Tradeovate Prop platform. And super thankful for the Ninja Trader team for backing us in this and sponsoring the tournament. And so let's get into the structure. Any questions on the chat? Maybe let's get into the structure first, and then we'll answer some questions. So how the tournament's going to work? The first stage. So when you enter, you can enter starting today. The entry is free if you're a Traderify customer. So if you have an active evaluation account with Traderify, or you have an active funded account, you can enter this tournament right now for free. There is no entry. If you are not a customer of Traderify, you've got two options. You can buy an account, any account with us, and you'll get free entry that way. So you can think of any account purchase now, if you're a new trader, as getting kind of 2 for 1. You get the Grand Cup entry for free. Or you can pay $35 to enter just the tournament on its own. So you've got two options there. So the tournament is super accessible, free entry for our customers. And if you want to become a customer, then you get free entry that way as well. So once you enter, the tournament starts on the 2nd of November for 2 weeks. The first week is just building up your account. You have the opportunity to reset if you would like, up to 3 times. So there are limits on resets. There's no eliminations. It's just build up your account, and then whatever.
If you do reset, you do have to pay the $35. You
so
get just one free entry.
The more you build it up, the better chance you have of surviving week 2. And week 2 is where we'll start eliminating traders. So every day we will eliminate the bottom 30% based on the P&L of the account. So the bottom 30% P&Ls will be removed each day, all the way up until the Friday, where the top 400 will all get a guaranteed prize of at least 300 for 200 and first place to 400. And I'll show the prizes in a second. But the top 200 will then survive that knockout stage and go into the next stage. So after we find our top 200 traders, you can see the account settings here, and I won't go through those. They're pretty standard 50K account settings. But once we've found the top 200 traders, we will spend 2 weeks setting up their live accounts just to get everything ready, working with our partner Ninja Trader.
So it's team-based.
All of these participants will get
it's individual-based, but also team-based.
With a 2K loss limit live account to trade with, which is, there's substantial potential in those accounts to earn money and generate revenue in the actual account. But these 200 traders will shoot out for the prizes. So they'll trade for 2 weeks, and they get to keep 80% of the profits. They also get to keep the live account.
It doesn't even start until November. They're going to leave a lot of time for registration.
And just a final explanation, the prizes, I think we've gone through the top 3 prizes: 200K, 120K, 80K for the top 3, the kind of podium prizes. But you can kind of see the top 10 all earn kind of 5-figure, substantial amounts for getting into the top 10. And even all the way up to the 100th place finisher will get at least $1,000 in rewards on top of what they earn in their live accounts. So
be careful if you're trying to long this pullback.
Substantial potential to
got a pretty big
that's a
drop
kind of
down to this previous area
on the tournament. Let's any questions from the chat or any comments, Brett, from you on this?
Yeah, I think like Vinny said, this is the biggest futures competition out there. We plan to hopefully have an amazing turnout to this. I think everyone's going to love it. We have a couple surprises in store too throughout the tournament that we're going to be coming on here talking about. Tradeify TV team's going to be covering it throughout the entire thing. But yeah, one thing I do want to highlight again, it's not just the top 10, not top 20, not top 30, not top 50, right? Top 400 people get prizes. So a tournament of this scale, you know, at a huge prop, obviously there's going to be a lot of people competing, but that didn't want, so we didn't want to make it seem like, you know, the odds are, well, odds are always going to be against you, right? There's going to be so many other people, but of course we have 400 prizes, right? Even if you get in that top 100, sitting at $1,000 prize. And again, like Vinny said, it's not just that $1,000, right? If you have a live account, that's also going, well, you would have a live account if you're in the top 200 at the end of it. So you're also going to be able to take home 80% of the profits that you make in that live account as well. So this is a way for traders to come in here, prove themselves, you know, against everyone else. But again, then do that live shootout, which I think is the most unique thing about this tournament.
For sure. Yeah, while you're at it, Brett, do you want to explain the ambassador? Or
yeah, so we do have ambassadors that are promoting the Grand Cup with us as well. It's some of pretty much our top guys, everyone's favorites on social, etc. So if you guys do have somebody that you guys follow, what we're doing is creating ambassador teams. So how it works is basically
I should be on this list.
A Grand Cup account with
We'll
any
see.
of your ambassadors' codes. What you'll be able to do is be a part of their team. So you will be listed under their team then. What does that mean? That basically means that you're still going to be participating in the main tournament, but on the side, you'll also have your own team leaderboard. So you'll be able to see how you're doing against everyone else in the team. And not only that, if you do come in first place on your actual team's leaderboard, you are going to be granted, do we have it here? Yeah, plus 5,000 on any of the ambassadors teams who have 500 or more signups. So that's another way for you to earn an extra 5K.
So we need
whether
at
or
least
not
500
that
people.
First place is part of the top 400 or not. If it is, great, another addition. If not, hey, at least you showed out to your ambassadors team as
Oh,
the
nice.
top person that follows them.
Yeah, I should have
supports
passed
them. In
that
addition to
eval
that,
yesterday, but I blew the, or not yesterday, Monday. But I blew the account. I
team-
only needed
if
$400.
The winner of the Grand Cup
kind of tilted a little
is
bit.
part of one of these ambassador teams. There's also going to be some special prizes for anybody who is on that team. For instance, if you're on like Kane's team or Rips or Stonks, BDM, Ray,
I wish you would
whoever's
scroll.
you
I'm
use,
curious
right?
if I'm on there.
If the winner of the entire tournament in first place wins, and they picked that team, and you were a part of that team, even if you lost,
It's
in the
probably
first
on
round,
the
whatever it
sign-up
is, there's
page.
gonna
I
be
just
something
didn't look.
special we're going to be emailing out to everyone who part of that team. So there is a little bit of a team element. We wanted to include it. Trading
Kinda
isn't
like a
really
fantasy draft,
team
but
sport in the sense of like combining P&L and different things. It's hard to try to figure that out. So we wanted to add another team element, and we figured this was a good way to do that.
yeah, I mean, I guess just to add to that, it's not just trying to. You're obviously going to try and win the tournament and get that first 200K prize, but there are other ways to earn in this. So I would highly recommend, if you're joining the tournament, to pick one of the teams, and I assume most of you guys, you know, follow at least one of the ambassadors that we have in the Grand Cup. So follow your favorite ambassador, join their team, and you got a
I'm
chance
at the sign-up
to
page.
win.
Nice.
You know, get the bragging rights within that team, get the 5K prize.
They're scared, baby.
And then we've put 25K in giveaways. This will be a mixture of giving away things like free accounts.
Yeah,
cash prizes,
FSP, man.
merch.
Really don't
We'll
like that
kind of,
guy.
when the team's been selected,
Are you talking about
put together
Brian?
a list of things and do kind of randomized giveaways to that
One
whole
with the
team.
spiky
So,
hair, yeah, FSP.
you know, there's I think
And
this
every
team
time I think we
element
might get a trade, the
is
chart
something else
just
that's quite unique
says
about
no.
about this tournament.
Very
as well.
frustrating.
You know, it gives you a chance to kind of build some community around the tournament, and you know, root for, you know, even if you don't make it to the top 200, you can kind of root for someone in your team that's still left in the tournament to go ahead and win in 200K.
I'm not saying I have favorites, but you got to scroll down a little bit. That third row, bottom right corner. I don't know.
There is a team Tradeify TV.
There
Oh,
is
there
a
is.
listen. I'm not gonna
yeah.
kill it too hard here, but you know, come on. Someone
Let's
asked in the
go.
chat. Someone asked in the chat too. Will they be able to enter? Yeah, all the ambassadors will be able to enter. Hosts are going to be entering as well. You know, our Tradeify staff team. This is open to everyone. So any and everyone,
That
because
picture.
especially when you go to the live portion, there's no sim environment, right? There's no changing anything, right, on the back end, nothing like that, right? So the live shootout is really going to be the most hype part of
Did me
this, in
dirty
my
on that
opinion.
picture.
Obviously, the
Well,
first
I
couple
sent
weeks,
them a picture.
getting into the qualifying finals is going to be awesome to watch and see where everyone's moving and grooving, right? But that 2 week shootout for the live finals is something I'm super hyped about.
That's
sure.
pretty funny.
I know we have a lot of questions in the chat. Maybe we should start banging a couple out real quick.
Yeah, there's a lot.
Go ahead. Why don't you read them off?
We do have a lot of FAQs on the homepage, so you can start to you can go to tradify.co/Grand Cup. We won't be able to get through all the questions, but we put a lot of effort in the FAQs there.
We pinned the link. We pinned the link here in the chat too, so if you want to check. And then I don't know, maybe
Picture looks like he came out of jail.
Yeah, I'll pick some that I've seen multiple times. Number one is will we be able to see our current standings each day, aka leaderboard?
Yeah, 100%. 100%. I mean, that's going to be a key element of this. We will have a live
I messaged Dan. He said he messaged them already to change it. I think he saw it and thought the same thing.
We'll unveil kind of the leaderboard, so you'll be able to see daily where you are. Well, live within, I think it'll update every few minutes. You'll be able to track where you are on the leaderboard, and it's going to be particularly important on week 2 when you have the eliminations. So within your Grand Cup dashboard, it will tell you what place you are, and if you're in jeopardy of being eliminated, and what you need to make to get up to advancing to the next day. So yeah, you'll have all that. There'll be a new area of the TradeFi dashboard dedicated to the Grand Cup, and some links where you can view the leaderboard as well.
Nice.
Yeah, those will refresh. I think it's either real time or 5 minutes. I think we're gonna get it down to like a minute or real time. I don't know exactly, but no more than 5 minutes every day that'll refresh. So you don't have to sit there, waiting for a random update or anything like that. You know that every couple minutes it's coming.
I just saw one of the chat just said they already entered and input in a code. So just we kind of figured this might happen. So we can move people into a team on the back end. So if you contact our support and say you enter.
Wait, so if you don't get 500 plus in your team, then no perks for you and I? Yeah, I think so.
Don't worry if you didn't put the code in.
Yeah,
but
and we know
if we get just enough at 500,
so give the support team
then
a little bit. It'll definitely
that would be perfect,
get slammed with some of those,
right? Because then we'd have one of the
we'll make
smaller
sure that
teams.
You are attributed to your team correctly.
Nice.
The smaller the team, the better, right? Because you have a better chance of winning.
Times already. If somebody gets into the top 200, they get to live stage. Are they still able to trade funded accounts after?
So we have to put it's a Tradeovate thing. When you're trading live under a prop, you can't have.
You gotta have faith. We'll get the 500, man.
Or sim.
You gotta have faith. You gotta have
something
faith.
They're working on. I'm not too sure. I haven't checked an update on that. But we will just pause the accounts for that 2-week period. You're not going to lose them. You're not going to have those weeks added to your inactivity rule, anything like that. But we would have to pause those, right, Vinny?
Yeah, that's right. So if you're in a sim funded account now and you do make it to the live funded stage, we will pause for those 2 weeks. We will pause your sim funded accounts. You will just be able to trade the live accounts. At the end of the 2 weeks, we'll give you the option. You can forfeit the live account and go back into sim, or you can carry on being a live trader with Tradeify.
Did not
it's up to you.
Copy paste very well.
Option.
Nice.
Who knows? Maybe if you're crushing if you're the number one guy and you're really crushing it, maybe, and you had funded accounts, maybe we're gonna just move some of that capital live. If we see that you beat everyone, tens of thousands of people. No promises there.
Yeah.
I might be over promising, but we'll see. We'll see.
Oh yeah.
I mean, if you think about it, this is 2 weeks to a live funded account with uncapped payouts.
Yeah.
Right. I mean, you can't get to a live account in 2 weeks anywhere, right? And we're giving 200 of them away. So it's
that's
if
fire.
you want that live account, it's the quickest way to get it.
Another question that I see multiple times in the chat is, if I already have 5 funded accounts, can I still enter?
Yes. So this is a separate account. This isn't a, especially when you sign up for the qualifier part. Remember, it's just like a sim account. It's like eval account rather. So there is no, putting you over that 5 limit. So you are able to have 5 funded accounts and this account at the same time. I know some people asked about like some rules and stuff. It's pretty much the same basic rules. I just saw a bunch of different questions in the chat. The basic rules of it are, no swing trade still. You can trade. We don't have a news trading rule on this. We don't have. We do have a scaling plan. So it is 2 contracts or 2 minis or 20 micros. Once you finish any day over $5,000, you are able to trade up to 5 and 50 micros. So those are the main rules there. I don't know. Is there any other? I don't think there's anything else, right, Vinny?
No, we just have a scaling plan. We have limited the micro scaling a little bit as well.
Spelled that wrong.
We obviously want to promote real trading, which is why we put in the scaling plan. This trying to eliminate those that are trying to hit one-hit wonder trades, right? So there is going to be, you're going to have to trade this properly to get up there. But yeah, I just saw a few questions, the same question being asked. Actually, I just want to clarify this because people are asking if I buy an account, if I'm not a customer and I buy an account, will I get free entry?
I'll have to wait
the
till
answer
they
is
fix
yes.
it.
If you buy an account, as long as you, at the time when you try and enter the Grand Cup, as long as you have an active account at that point in time, you will be able to enter for free. So you can just buy an account and enter that way. Or, like I said, you can just pay the $35 and enter that way.
It's basically a BOGO. If you're not a customer already, you buy. I mean, not buy one get one, but buy one get. What's an O word we could use here? I don't know. It's a bogey. Buy one get entered.
It's bogey. It has an accent.
Bogey. There we go. LA bogey. All right. I see you. No consistency rules. I see that a bunch of people saying that.
No consistency. No. Yeah, I mean, just to talk about, so when you enter on November 2nd, you will get the equivalent of a 50K account. It has a 2K loss limit. You'll be able to trade with 2 minis and 10 micros. Once you get to 5K in profits, we'll elevate you to 5 minis and 20 micros. You can only trade CME. That's the other thing. Only CME products. So we're limiting this just to one exchange. Again, there's ways of circumventing the contracts limits using multiple exchanges. So we just wanted to.
Are we really just going to chop sideways the rest of the day? This is crazy.
So all the gold traders out there, I'm sorry.
Yeah, it's just CME products.
Sad already about my gold.
Us NQ junkies, however, we're good to go.
Oh hell yeah!
Good to go.
I will say this is this is gonna we wanted to go big for this. We wanted to like see obviously interest, how it goes, everything like that, right? But this is also the first one we're doing, and it opens up the door for many different things, right? We might do just a COMEX tournament, right? Could be one where the oil and gold traders go at it, right? Which would really be cool to watch, right? People in their specific niche. It also is great for us as a prop because those people that we want to find to move live, obviously at a traditional prop, you want to have people who trade different assets, right? So it's a really cool way for us to evaluate everyone on a grander scale, in the sense of bringing in new people. Of course, we're already doing that as a prop, on the grand scale of people in general, but to kind of find the people who are in their own niche of the market, right? That only trade gold, that only trade oil, that only trade NQ, ES, YM indices, etc. So I think this is definitely going to be the first of many variations that you'll see of this, and hopefully in 2026 you're going to see a lot more different styles of this tournament.
That's amazing. This is awesome, guys. I want to know in the chat, like type a 1 in the chat if you've already signed up for this. I want to get a feel for who's already entered.
People or something, maybe give them a little special prize for getting in. Right?
Or who's already in on Team Tradeify TV is what I want.
Let's go.
Yeah. What's the ambassador code for Team Tradeify TV?
It's just TV. It's just TV.
TV. All right, nice. You know what you got to do now, chat.
Hey, all these people are already signed up. Look at the chat right now, just blowing up.
All right, making a move up to the highs here. See if we can't get an extra push.
Yeah, we're gonna have updates like I said. You can refresh them live on the leaderboard. That'll be listed in the dash on our website. So you will be able to pre-sign up right now. It does officially start on the 2nd of November. So until then, you're gonna have a card there, you know, that you're entered and it's coming soon.
Everybody go in the Tradeify chat and say Team VOLA, baby!
Your evals or your funded accounts.
Flood the chat.
That'll
Team
open up
VOLA,
and
Team
it'll grant
VOLA,
you
Team
trading
VOLA.
permissions on the 2nd. And then, like Vinny said, from there, that first week is just a shootout. There's no eliminations, just free for all to build up a buffer or get yourself in, get people in who are finding out about it late, etc. And then the following week is when we start to eliminate people. So again, each day, the bottom 30% will be eliminated at the end of each trading day.
That's great.
That is indeed a Squid Game battle kind of thing.
Yeah, we're gonna definitely have to have you guys. We're gonna have some cool stuff coming on here for sure. We might have to have some names get sniped off the leaderboard live or something like
Hey,
that.
look at that,
Will
bouncing
not
off the
be live
highs. Who would have
executions on
thought?
stream.
Yeah,
We
blood-
looked into that, but
Blood
the
coming
FCC
down
was
their
not about
names,
that.
right?
We're going to have some of the ambassadors as well come on and trade the Grand Cup live on Tradeify TV.
Yep.
It'll be fun.
It'll be awesome.
We've got one more surprise though.
Ooh. What is it?
Hey, Wawa, I see you in there.
Are we doing it?
We should bring that one up now. There's one more little gift
Don, I see you
to
in there too.
celebrate the
Let's
Grand
go.
Cup.
Another one.
And you get another announcement.
Thanks, guys. Need all the help I can get.
The graphic, Drew, if you got it. He's loading.
Drew scrambling in the background.
Drew is swearing in the background.
Is that
right
what
now.
graphic-
There it is.
There it is.
So to celebrate the launch of the Grand Cup, we're going to do a special flash sale. So you can, if you're a new user, you haven't traded with Tradeify, you can get your account at 40% off. This
There
is
you
just
go.
for the 25, 50, and 100K accounts across all our different account types, advanced growth, lightning funded. So you can pick up your account. I mean, this is as good as our sales get. 40% off. There's no limits to the use as well. So that starts today. I think we're running that until Monday, the end of day Monday. So you've got a good 3-4 days of open market to use this.
I'm
coupon.
assuming
So,
my code would work as well for the 40%,
Yeah.
but I don't know. You'd have to check. I just
Fire.
asked Dan, see if he answers.
And
me.
then maybe we got another little bonus announcement.
Another one.
Another
Okay.
one.
What?
No.
What's that?
Well, I think this one should come from you guys. I mean, you guys are the one putting in. You got, if you know, we've had, how many months are we live now? And when did we launch? I don't even know.
Last week of May is when we
End
launched.
of May, yeah.
Last week of May. So we've been, these guys have been going so hard, and you know, we're coming up to wrapping up the year here. You know, we're going into Q4. Well, we're already in Q4. 2 weeks into Q4, right? And
Wawa.
it's just been going amazing. The team here has been absolutely crushing it. I see so many posts online. I see chat always so hyped up. I see more and more regulars every single day. You know, we've slowly expanded the stream a couple hours, and
All
you
right,
know,
so
we
all
wanted
codes
to,
are 40%
double
off.
down on that. You know, we also have Nick, who's been
See if
crushing
they
the
fix this yet.
the
He said they're
Euro
working
stream,
on it.
the Euro Open, and Celine joining the team as well. So it's going to be something that we continually want to add. new
Team
things
Ball's
to.
the OG Marbles,
And,
man. Let's go.
You know, of course, what better way than to you know, kick it off with another little push here. So who wants to? I don't know.
So yeah, so the announcement is the three of us are getting 6 months paid vacation. See you guys in April.
Good luck,
Drew,
everybody.
cut the stream.
Smart.
Mark everybody out.
Smart,
Cut the
smart,
stream.
smart.
No, I think we'll let Swiss Nick handle this one. He can put the oomph behind this that it deserves.
The All right, guys. So, I mean, Brett already mentioned we're putting in the work, and we're going to put in more work because the stream is going to be extended to 8 hours a day, which is going to be absolutely fire.
Jeez.
I mean,
I'm sure
right
they're
now,
happy about that.
apparently you guys love it. You turn up every day, so we assume that, and we want to do more for you guys. So 8 hours it's gonna be starting. Actually, let me double confirm. Brett, what is that starting date for the 8 hours? Just so I don't put any false information out there.
I believe it's the 20th. I believe it's the 20th.
I believe so too. I believe so too.
DJ Nick. We should have threw DJ Nick's big face right in the middle here with his glasses on and just announced it real quick.
and his cape, yes.
Monday.
Yeah, it's Monday. Monday, October 20th. We're gonna pretty much elongate the stream, and we're gonna do 8-hour streams every single day, Monday through Friday. So get ready, guys.
Yeah, super excited for that. I know there, a lot of people, they like to trade the mornings. A lot of people, maybe some
no
right
more
after
Marvels,
lunch
Jason.
That, 1
I'm out of
o'clock
here
or
once
so.
they're done with this
And then there's a
announcement.
lot of people who like to do power hours. So
I was hoping to get a
we wanted to
trade,
be able
but
to push the stream, cover the full day. I know there's a couple out there who do it, most don't. But I think it's a good time to do so because we have a lot going on here. There's a lot going on in the markets, even into the close, right? I know when we were going till 12 all the time, I see in the chat with you guys, right after you guys get off, there's a big move right after lunch and different things, right?
Yeah,
So
there's a lot of
encourage our
guys I don't
traders to
agree
have
with
some coverage
that
for
are
moves,
with
have
Tradeify,
some,
but can't bite the
dialogue
hand that
going on
feeds you.
about them. And then also going a little bit past the close, past that 4 o'clock. There's big earnings moves, different things in the market
Thanks,
lately,
Don.
right? So whether we have any of those big after hours moves, usually around like 4 or 5.
J-Dun's one of them guys, man, that
Trump tweet.
Oh yeah.
he's got a good heart, it seems,
just
but
announced the 24-hour stream. Who's doing it?
it also seems like
Yeah, and also just to add to that, I think
he's a
we
bit of
have
a he's a bit of a
international,
cheater.
community here.
Like,
It's not all just
pretty sure he's not
US
as
traders
legit
trading
of a
in the
trader as
open.
people think.
So I think Nick's
This
London
is the
session has
Bartman
been
trade. What is
hugely
that?
Successful. I think it's one of
The
the
chop.
biggest,
Play the
London
chop.
session
Play the
streams out
range.
there, actually, already we've only been doing it a few weeks. So yeah, we want to cater for those that.
And
trade
this
in
is
different time
crazy. It's
zones,
literally
some
just
that Just
chopping.
trade the close instead of the open, right? So yeah, I think it's gonna be super exciting, and looking forward to seeing the extended stream.
And I will say, guys, bear with us, and we're going to get the schedule out to you on that, who's on when. And in the first couple weeks, there's going to be a little moving around because we got some people taking vacations, got some people, I don't know, like some of us are on different continents right now or in Italy or whatever. So it's going to be a little
Carlo.
like people moving around.
He
here or
gives
there,
a
but it
lot
is
of
gonna be
money
8
away
hours. We
to
can't wait bring that to you. It's gonna
to
be-
people and
it's gonna be a
stuff too.
blast.
So it's like,
You
oh,
get
the
to
market's
see a
showing
lot
up Art
more of
Simpson.
DJ
Got it.
Nick's pretty face as well.
It's just frustrating
Yeah, big
because
thing
it's
for
like
us.
I know
We
a lot of
wanted to
that
do
money
this,
comes
sooner, but
from
again, I
not
think
where
what we
he
like to
says
do
it
here,
comes
take our
from.
time, make sure like when we release stuff.
So
we
that's the
do
part that kills
quality,
me.
right?
And he
So
was
just wanna
partnered
push,
with
you
a
know,
known fraud
longer, and it's,
as
and
well.
it's not up to the
So
same
there's
par
that.
we have been starting.
It's just
with. And
frustrating
of course,
when
at
you're
the- at
watching
the
people like that.
initial
That's
launch,
all.
like you said, Matt, we do have a couple people taking off or different areas, et cetera. So bear with us the first few days, but we wanted to take the time to really set it up, make sure that as we're pushing further, we do have segments planned out, different ideas coming through, so you guys aren't left with any well, it's never stale here, but normal commentary, right?
I swear, like every day I end the stream, no matter what time, is when a trade always happens. It's pretty crazy.
viewership for you, viewing for you guys to watch. So.
It's absolutely, and Brett, I think back to the first phone conversation you and I had. I'd gone through, we'd gone through sort of the demo process, and you were kind of laying a lot of this stuff out, and kind of because I'd asked you, what's the next year look like, et cetera, trying to feel it out a little bit. Is this a good fit? And you out like all the stuff you said was coming, like, oh, this will be about like a year, 12 to 18 months. We're looking to do A, B, and C. You've already done about half of it. You had said, like, I think after year one, we're looking at
Matt is such a.
But again, guys. This is
He's such
because
a corporate
you guys have
guy.
responded to what's been put out there, right? If nobody's shown up, if the questions sucked, if the chat was
The intent does not give the process justification.
Happening. It's because you guys are here every day.
You'll continue to
guys
spam it.
Are
Don't
the
get
best
banned.
chat in the business, and I don't bullshit on that. And
I
so
still see you,
yeah,
so
we
I guess
hung
I
up
didn't
from that
ban you
call,
yet.
And I remember thinking, oh, this sounds like a good fit. I hope we can go forward. I know Brett
I
hung
love
up
it
with
though,
that
thank
call, and
you.
he says, well, this guy's kind of an asshole, but I think I'll hire him anyway. But regardless, yeah, it's worked out great, and it's because of you guys showing up, day in and day out. And I know it sounds like I kiss the chat's ass every day, and I kind of do, but you guys earn it. And
At least he admits it.
When you guys respond to not only what's going on here at Tradeify TV, but what's going on at Tradeify, you guys join in the Discord, you're participating in conversations. That tells us, okay, we need to do more to engage our community. I've talked about on the show how important community is. Guys, this competition is going to be a
put it on a timer.
blast. It absolutely is. Just all the back and forth, the in and out, the shit talking. I don't care if you bust on day one or you're the champion, guys. We're gonna have an absolute blast. So come on board for it. It's gonna be fun.
Oh yeah, thank you. Hey, appreciate it. And you guys really just been crushing it. You guys, the chat, everyone. Now I know the chat's got a nice ass from Matt. He's kissing it every day.
And Jinka No Positions is also trading.
I'm ready to see that. But anyway,
this market is horrible to try and scalp. Yeah,
I'm
this is brutal.
I'm super excited for the future of trading.
I want to force a trade so bad, but I know I shouldn't.
Cool things just like this competition that are going to be coming through the pipeline. I don't want to say we under promise, but I like to promise, like I said, 12 to 18 months for that, but we over delivered. We're already pushing to that 8-hour stream. Got the London stream already cooking. Who knows? Maybe we got an Asia one in the future coming soon as well. But yeah, it's been a blast to see you guys support the channel, take off so hard and really just crush it.
And then let's get to 40K, guys. Let's get to 40K today, and then we can peer pressure Brett to do some more giveaways.
Yeah. One last thing. I think I don't know.
Giveaways.
Yeah, let's do some giveaways. But before that too, I know we've been working on a lot of big things. So we've been doing a lot of partnerships in the back end, different things we're working on.
Yeah, but Carlo, I don't want to get into a trade and then be mad that I took it, etc. If I had to take a loss on a trade that I forced, I'd be pretty pissed.
I don't know if it's going to be next week, but definitely in about 2 weeks or so, I'll probably start coming on a little bit more to engage with you guys. Just doesn't even have to be an announcement like this. Obviously awesome when we can do big announcements like this, but just to shoot the shit, just to see how you guys are doing, listen to feedback from the chat, and just talk markets. So I hope to engage more with the Tradeify TV team, be live with not only the host but you guys here. And I think Vinny's going to try to do the same as well. At least once or twice a month, right, Vinny?
Yeah, I'm going to try come on as well. Tradeify's been so busy and not been able to trade as much. But I'm going to.
Are we actually going to break the lows here of this move?
Trading again on Tradeify TV.
Good for long-term holding.
We're going to start completing the Bart face.
Being this busy has made it easier to hold my swing position.
Display poker? No, not today.
You've joined me on that. Yeah.
Maybe tomorrow. Oh.
Killing these trades either way.
Let's do a couple. Let's do a couple giveaways here. Why don't you guys pick some codes on the back end? Okay?
Oh no!
We do a couple of accounts.
You said the
of course
giveaway at the start, so
it's just working when I'm not trading it.
I don't know.
I'm trying to be extra patient here. I don't want to get into a bad trade.
Whoa, let's do it. Let's give it.
Gandalf throwing the giveaways around now.
A whole outfit and drip. All right.
That's a whole outfit. Maybe that's too much. Nah, it's good.
We can go back on it now.
In my head, I was thinking 100. I was like, no, let's go to 150. And I was not thinking you were going to say 250. So now we got
it. Like,
it's not that cheap.
Usually it's the other way around.
I was going to say, this is a difference in the dynamic you two usually have on giveaway.
Yeah, listen, when we're coming on Tradeify TV now, apparently our roles are swapped. Let's do it. 3 times 250. Let's pick some codes in the back here. Let's do. How about we do this one first? We do. Let's see.
I will say, if you win these merch giveaways, guys, highly recommend the hoodie and the sweatshirts. They're very, very well made, very comfortable.
Wear it all the time.
Yeah, we're gonna be announcing. Well, I don't know. We did a lot of announcements already. Yeah, we'll wait on that one. We got some surprises in store. Even outside of trading, we're looking to cook up some things. I think
he tries trying to gamble.
Community as a whole, there's different aspects of life outside of trading. I know that's tough to imagine.
No way.
But we hope to expand our presence, beyond trading as well. So I think you guys will see going into 2026 throughout the year that start to expand the overall reach. Might not be directly named under Tradeify or anything like that, but you will see a lot of different things coming out from the team here as well to give you guys some cool things to either check out or.
That was delayed there. So.
Oh, chat. I mean, love it. Let's fucking go, but that's not the keyword.
That's not the keyword, guys.
What's the keyword? What's the keyword? What you pick?
Are we good? Are we good to go?
Yeah, we're good to go with the keyword.
All right. Well, I mean, yeah, he promised 250 for 3, so the first keyword's got to be Gandalf.
Oh yeah.
Gandalf.
I love saying Gandalf, man.
Gandalf is the keyword, guys.
The greatest thing was we got to throw the graphic up real quick. Hold on. Let me get
Broke the
Drew
chat.
this. The greatest was
Type it once, guys. Type it once. If you type it more than once, you will be disqualified.
A classic.
Greatest thing was when
Right back up into the range, or
changed his
we're
name
gonna
to
reject
Gandalf,
here.
and he changed his profile picture to this. And I don't think I'll ever be able to look at Gandalf without thinking of him again. You got to throw that graphic up, Drew. You can.
I've never seen
You
this.
to send me some kind of Gandalf outfit.
It's actually him. So I'm actually just searched the image. It's actually Ian McKellen on a break while filming The Hobbit on his MacBook. I thought it was AI, but then I'm like, wait.
Oh, that's real.
This was before AI, so this is a real picture of Gandalf on the MacBook. That's hilarious. That makes it even better, actually.
That was my pick for such a long time.
Oh, such a classic. Too good. All right, how many? When do we want to pull these?
Well, give them a minute. Give them a minute.
All right. Man, I'm
Relax.
Nancy. Any other questions while it'll be easy to see them through here. It'll be a longer message on the Grand Cup, guys, while we're doing these.
All right, you can stop typing Gandalf, guys. You can stop typing it.
Yeah, Drew already pulled it up. So, first winner, Drew. Pick one. Go for it.
Do it.
Do it. Now I can read it. Wait, I gotta blow up this YouTube stream so I can see it. So the first winner is H. Khalil. H. Khalil just won $250 worth of merch.
Dang.
That's something in the chat really quick.
Good question, real quick, Eric. Shout out Eric L Duck. How you doing, man? It's been a while. Based on total P&L or daily? So that is total P&L. That's a good question because people are eliminated each day. So that's a good question. So for instance, if your total P&L is going to carry over. So I mean, I don't anticipate this or hope that it happens, but let's just say someone's up 500K, their first that first day Monday, and they the next day they still have 500. They're still first. They don't have to worry about making more or aiming for the moon to try to outpace everyone else each day. That would really be forcing trades, I think, at that point.
By the way, H. Khalil, make sure you add your email address to your YouTube channel description. And all you guys who are about to win from now on, make sure that you add your email addresses to your YouTube channel description. Drew,
I'll get you those today too. So let's you can send those over to me. I'll make sure we get those over. I know sometimes you guys gotta wait for stuff, but we'll get you those merch ones quick.
Yeah, let's just. Do we want to pick the winners all from the Gandalf keyword, or do you want?
Yeah, let's give Gandalf his 3 disciples.
All right, Drew, then pick the second one. Go for it.
And we'll post the
winner. The second winner is Bloomcroft. Bloomcroft, type something in the chat.
Also, the did we? Thought we had the merch on the homepage. No, the link. You take it down. Where's the merch link, Vinny, on the website? What was there? On the bottom. On the bottom of the site, guys. I don't want to unpin the Grand Cup, obviously, because we've got that message here. But I'll post the link in the chat, too. If you guys want to check out the merch, you can do so. But it's also on the bottom of our homepage. If you want to click merchandise.
Right at the footer, yeah.
Nice. All right, Bloomcroft, also, add your email address to your YouTube channel description. I see your type there in the comments, so that's great. Let's pick the third winner. Third one for $250 worth of merch.
That's enough for a couple outfits.
Oh, yeah. Drew, want to pick a third one?
We're already coming up on a couple thousand in the tournament. Let's go.
Nice.
I was
All
thinking
right,
maybe
Noah. Noah is the third one. Noah, please type something in the chat really quick. You just won $250.
Noah wins again?
Wait, he
Noah
won?
won earlier.
When did he win?
He won one of the giveaways, but Noah, we need you to show up for this one, please.
Yeah.
Oh, he didn't get it though?
No.
Oh no. Oh no.
Noah, this is your lucky day, my G.
Oh
You got...
no.
Oh, Noah.
He's there.
There's Noah. There's Noah.
There we
You see
go.
Noah. Okay.
He says, hey.
Yeah, you can only give it
Alright,
once
the
a
art
day.
this time.
I changed that.
Yeah.
The chat was out of
You had a
control when
second
I had
chance.
that
You
going.
redeemed it.
You redeemed it. Very good. All right, $250 worth of merch to Noah in this case. Nice.
I would also like to point out, guys, we're now just a little over 500 away from 40,000 subscribers. So if you're here and you're watching and you're just asking questions, man, get in and subscribe.
Do it.
Oh man. Okay, now I'm the asshole. I'm sorry, Noah. You did win that earlier. So you just won 2 things today.
She's like, I'm gonna take it
I
back.
think
You
we were
didn't get
waiting
it.
on it, and then you
Miriam
know
said,
what?
fuck you
Don't-
and your free account.
Miriam's like, you get the free account, which gives
Guys,
you
it wasn't-
access
it wasn't-
to the Grand Cup, and he
It-
gets merch. No, you can't get all that.
Oh, but
No,
it
I
was
expect
another
you to-
Noah,
though. It was
No, I
another
expect you to
Noah
be
guy.
wearing a Tradeify TV sweatshirt when you get your first payout.
True, but it was another Noah, apparently. It's
There
not
was
the
another
first.
Noah.
Noah's okay.
Well, my
Because
statement
you know
stands.
Noah's
We'll buy
not a
one
common
then, Noah.
name.
All right.
Oh,
So,
man.
Brett, we gave away the 3 merch codes. What else?
What else? Well, we did a sale on everything but these, so I think we just give a couple of 150K straight to fundeds. I know. Vinny,
Oh, man.
I know we don't like to
Wow.
throw. Hey, look at his face.
Look at Vinny's like, ugh.
He wants to kill you right now.
Vinny needs a stamp. Denied. Why don't we give away three of those? We'll
right.
we'll let you guys give them out. Why don't we do one now and then a couple. You guys are on for a little bit more still, right? Before we swap. I don't
Yeah.
even. So why don't you guys got a couple extra to give out during the stream as well? So why don't we do 3
We'll do
150?
one now.
So we'll do one now, and the other 2 I'll let you guys dish out before the end of
Alright.
segment.
So we're doing a total of 3 150K straight lightning funded accounts.
Lightning
We're
funded.
gonna,
Yeah,
we're gonna do
even
one
said
right now, and then the other 2 are gonna be later on. So you guys gotta
Let's
say.
make the
tuned in.
code. Let's make. Oh, I can't say it.
You gotta
Can't say
do
it.
Grand
No, say it
Cup.
out loud.
Yeah. You already did.
You can't say it loud. You have to put it in the
Don't
Slack.
say it again. Don't say it again. Wait.
We got the
Needs to
same
fit.
word there, Brett. Yeah, it's put that in there. CBR says he's still not used to Matt cussing. Are you new here?
You must not be there at 9:30 a.m. each day.
Yeah, he's definitely not there at the open.
Speaking of, I need to update that on Project X.
Oh, are we officially putting that in at the open?
I don't know if we can do that. I'll ask them, but I'm gonna ask them for that. But I forgot. I gotta check.
If they need a PG version of that recorded, I can do that.
I gotta check the sound recordings that we could do for them. I'm gonna ask them about that today.
All right, I'm gonna get out of here. I'll be here tomorrow, same time, same place.
Filled in Gandalf's voice too.
Yeah.
I'll see you
Sorry,
then.
Vinny, the real Gandalf.
Have a good rest
No, that
of
one's just gonna be. What are you doing?
your day.